Hi guys! Konnichiwa! Welcome back to my channel! It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas! Ay! Tingnan nyo naman ang aking coat! Kamusta po ba kayo lahat? Ito naman ay binigay lang po sa akin ng aking fan. Ay, di joke lang, basta bigay lang sa akin. Yun lang po guys. Yan lang po ang aking outfit of the day. Tingnan nyo, may mga glittery. Ganun. Okay, moving on. So, ang gagawin po natin ngayon is gagala lang tayo sa bandang Shinsaibashi, Namba, and American Village area dito sa Osaka. Gusto ko lang po kasi bumili ng brooch at saka belt. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita natin doon. Mostly, I go to thrift stores, thrift shop, and ayun, medyo kuripot kasi si ate mo, girl. Pero okay lang yan, tingnan mo, we can pull it off. So, at saka, because I want to practice speaking English, I'm gonna try to speak in English through this whole video. So, please, if I make some mistakes, just comment down below. Let's get on to the video. Itadakimasu! Itadakimasu means we're gonna go. Like, we going. Itadakimasu. Hello guys, so this is my jitensha, my bike by the way. So, itadakimasu. We are now at the beautiful Midosuji Street at Shinsaibashi. And our first stop is here at the big step. Look at this beautiful, like, Christmassy vibes. I love it so much. So this is like a small mall. Okay, so our first stop is at Kinji. It's a used clothing store. Social. So ito siya. Oh no, I just used Tagalog. And we also have one there. So we're gonna start going there. So it looks like this. Konna kanji. So konna kanji is mostly used when you want to show something. Cute. Ito medyo maganda siya pero parang medyo luma na. And this one, kaya lang hindi siya size ko. Medyo maliit siya. So, next time. Guys, meron silang belt dito. Kaya lang. Oh, I forgot. I'm supposed to be speaking in English. So, they have some, but I just don't like it. I want some gold details. I got these, but I don't know. It's just like 1,320 yen. This is what I'm talking about. Maybe this, but I don't know. This is not a code that I want to use this for, but I don't know. Is this too much? I mean, I love the details, but I'm not feeling it. Guys, I kind of like this muffler that is really like this, because I have no one who will keep me warm this Christmas. So this is gonna be my baby. Ooh, but it's just a little itchy, so goodbye. Look at this, guys, a Madonna. Ooh, it's so social. But yeah, I tried it on and the shoulders are too broad. Do you say it like broad? I already have broad shoulders, so I mean the details are really good, but maybe not for me this time. Okay, moving on to our next stop. Tsugi means next. Again, but no. Sorry guys, mission failed. Let's go to the other store. It's so Christmassy. My shoes are making noises. Please stop. Next stop is Ruby's. I got distracted by this bag section and ooh, this bag is really cute. I look at the price.
I put it back immediately because it's so expensive.
Ooh, so beautiful. In the middle of the city. Hey guys, so I'm gonna take my bike again and we're gonna head to GU or Uniqlo. Hopefully they have something there, and if not, it's a fail, but at least I got you guys and I've shown you a little bit about Osaka. Look at this, guys. This is literally my favorite street. It's so beautiful. Love it. We have Prada. And that is Louis Vuitton. Someday, girl, someday. Yes, GU, here we go. Yes, I think this one, I like this one. It's like simple and, you know, it's Uniqlo, so, no, it's GU. Oh, and it's super nice price. Guys, I think this was the one that I wanted last time, but it was like 2,000 something yen. And I was like, oh, a little expensive. I'm just gonna wait for my pay date. I'm gonna get it. They also have some bags. This is so cute though, but it's too small. Guys, I'm here at the fitting room and look at this. It's a little bit big, so it says M right here, but it says XL. So I think I'm gonna take the smaller one smaller one. But I like it so much. Ooh. Oh, well, that is my outfit of the day, by the way. I'm a little chubby, but we still love ourselves, so self-love now. Okay. Guys, this is just amazing. So when you put the basket here, it immediately, like automatically knows what you've get or got. I think it's got, but yeah, you know the point. Like the technology is like really cool, and like I feel like I'm living in the future. Char. Uniqlo flowers. Or should I get one for me? Because nobody. I'm so bitter. Hey guys, we got it. And I was kind of onakasuita, which means I was hungry, so I bought croissant. So we're here. Night of Shinsaibashi. And this is Dotonbori area, and I'm just gonna honyomi ni ikimasu. That means I'm just gonna read a book. Honyomi ni ikimasu. She's trying to be cute again. And yeah, that's my Instagram. Thank you. It's already nighttime and I just bought something from here. It's not about fashion, but just a little errands. I'm just gonna show you later. We're gonna do a small haul for today. Yes. Okay, so let's go home now. I'm so tired. Not that tired, but yeah. Okay guys, tadaima. That means we're home. Okay. So let's do our haul for today. Okay, so we have this. First, these are water detergent. This is gonna be maybe the boring haul, but and some premium DHC vitamins because I don't cook at home, so I might be lacking of vitamins. And I also have this protein soup and this salad protein, no salad soup also. And yeah, that's it. It's total of, I think, around 700, no, like 1,700 yen maybe. And then I also got flowers for myself because hashtag self-love. I also bought some croissant, just 4 of them, and I ate just one. Then the most exciting part, I bought this belt and the other one, this one. Ooh, wait, I can't wait to try them. And the X, they didn't have the M size, the medium size, so I just got the L size. And it fits perfectly. I love the color. Like, it's really cute. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's just like 590 yen. Good shopping. And by the way, this is the coat that I want to use the belt for because, well, originally it has like a belt, but I just got this from my friend. She gave it to me, but the belt was missing, she told me, so I just bought this belt. It just fits perfectly. And wait, I'll just gonna try this too. Wait, I mean, maybe it's too much, but I don't know, I still like it. Well, that is our small haul for today. Also guys, that's all for our video vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching up until this time. I hope you had fun watching, and yeah, I'll just gonna go rest and go to a sento, which is like a hot spring, like an onsen nearby, and I'm just gonna do some editing, eat, and do my my night routine. Napakahirap pala mag-Ingles. Mapapa-nosebleed ako, oh my gosh. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, thank you again. Oyasumi, good night, and see you again on my next video. Mata ne! Bye!